Welcome to the fourth episode of Ease of Cooking with Ruchikootu. Today we'll learn how to make South India's favorite breakfast, dosa, but of course with a twist. And for this, we'll need 2 green chilies sliced, half onion finely chopped, half a cup grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, few coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Firstly, pour a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add the cumin seeds, and once these seeds pop, add the urad dal. Add the green chilies when the urad dal turns darker. To this, add the finely chopped onions, sauteed briefly. And now, add the curry leaves and ginger. And once when you think the vegetables aren't raw anymore, add the coconut, and the coriander leaves. Sauteed once again. Now for the batter, take 1.5 cup of wheat flour, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, pour 2 cups of water to this to make batter with a very loose consistency. To this batter, add the sorted mixture and combine well. Before we make the dosa, we'll now prepare some tasty aloo sabzi. For this, pour a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Add half an onion sliced. Add some salt, a pinch of turmeric, saute it well. To this, add finely grated carrot, one teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Now add the main ingredient, boiled potato. Here I am just using 1 potato. Combine these well. To this, add some coriander leaves, and now our sabzi is ready. Now let's get to the dosa. Take a pan, Smear some oil in circles using an onion. Pour the batter and turn sides when it is properly cooked. Now our dosa with a twist is ready. You can serve it like shown in the video with the aloo sabzi. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and kindly click on the bell icon to receive notifications about our future videos. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye.